welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna try a new product from Velour Lashes. This is their new Lash Adhesive Eyeliner Hybrid. So today I'm gonna demo and review and give you my first impressions on this product. If you guys like videos like these, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's go ahead and get started. So you guys know that Kiss Lash Adhesive is literally my ride or die. I've been using this for a good amount of years, and prior to this, I've always used Dual because that was the first lash adhesive that was introduced to me way back in the days, like literally Mac days. Then I was introduced to House of Lashes. Many of my clients do have sensitivities. That's why I have to be mindful when purchasing lash adhesive. Because I do full lash applications during my makeup services, I have to make sure this works for all. Then I stumbled upon the Kiss lashes, which are also latex free, contact user friendly, as well as dermatologist tested. And I believe this one has aloe vera. Kiss lashes have been a favorite of mine for myself and others. Comes in clear, comes in black. It comes with a brush applicator as well as a squeezy tube. It literally is like waterproof, just like the House of Lashes are and the Dual. It works very well. I do have clients who tend to have their eyes water a lot wearing makeup or not even wearing makeup. So again, I have to make sure that this works for myself and others, and so far, so good. So today I'm so excited because I woke up this morning, it's Monday morning by the way, and I was like, we need to film this because this product is not gonna be new anymore. So this was purchased almost a month ago, and yeah, I know, I'm so bad at that, but I am here today. This is the new Velour Lash and Go. So this is a new product that Sephora is carrying along with the other Velour lashes that they offer. This is not just a lash adhesive, it's a lash adhesive and eyeliner. So, as always, let's go ahead and read a little bit about this product before we get started. Once again, we are going to demo and review the new Velour Lash and Go Eyeliner and Lash Adhesive Hybrid. This values at $23 and this already has 2.3K loves. So far, there are 249 reviews, 4.7 out of 5 stars, and 95% will recommend. So they only offer one color, which is a matte black. When wet, an intense black pigment eyeliner once dry. Streamline your routine with this innovative hybrid formula. All right, tongue twisters, words I cannot pronounce, so I'm gonna butcher them because that's just me. 1, it's free of parabens. Formaldehydeds. You know what? All the words on here I cannot pronounce because it's just too much for me, dude. So main thing, it's free of parabens, and I'll link everything down below because I don't want to embarrass myself. This also says, if you can do an eyeliner, you can do lashes. It removes the barrier of entry for false lash application. The hybrid marbled formula applies and dries an intense black pigment using on its own. It features a black satin matte finish and a smudge-proof formula for all-day wear. Or use it with false lashes. No adhesive needed. So just reading that from the Sephora's website, this will be great for someone who's learning eyelashes or eyeliner or both, or someone like myself just wants to try this to see if it works for both or saves you on time. So this is how the package looks like. Okay, so let's read it real quick. Lash adhesive when wet, eyeliner when dry. How to use. Step 1, starting with one eye, apply liner from inner to outer corner of lash line. Step 2, apply lashes along lash line and adjust as necessary. Step 3, repeat on the other eye. If you can do eyeliner, you can do lashes. All right, let's open up this guy. I'm interested of how this works because I usually apply the adhesive on the lashes itself, and then I'll let it tack out before applying it on. Ooh, it looks like a lip gloss. You can actually see the marble formulation. That's so cool. First impressions on this, I like it. It looks like literally a lip gloss. I love the black, I love the gold around the top. It's not too heavy, but you know, it's like a regular lip gloss. Weight and feel, so I like that. So it says Lash and Glow liner plus lash adhesive. It tells you directions on here too, and oh, they're made in Canada. It also tells you that after opening it's only valid and it's only good for 6 months. And you know, I try to go by this rule here, especially products around the eyes. You know, sometimes you get some sensitivities, so again, you got to be mindful for yourself and others. So that's something you want to look into. Okay, so I'm going to be applying one of my favorite pair of lashes. Again, I think it's Pixie. I haven't worn lashes on the regular that I kind of forget which ones are which. These are the regular demi lashes. Yeah. So step 1, it's gonna ask me to apply on, ooh, look, it's creasing. By the way, guys, I started a vlog channel. Please subscribe. I'll put the link down below or somewhere up here. I'm gonna start off with my right eye just because my right eye is my good eye. So let's see how this applicator looks like, guys. Oh, did this splash on me? It splashed on me. So it literally like splashed on me, so I have a black mark on my shirt. Let's try this again from afar. It's so hard to take out of the applicator. So first impressions on this, it literally looks like an eyeliner. Maybe that's why it was so hard to like take off. There was like a big bubble drip here and I just didn't want to drip on me again, so I'm just kind of wiping it off. It looks like a hard... Oh. All right. Looks like it's watery. It's not too opaque. It's starting to separate on my hands, you can see. But I just wanted you to see the application. It's not a brush, kind of firm tip. You can see how it's bending. It is a brush applicator. It's like a felt tip, sorry. It's a felt tip brush, but it's pretty firm. So I have to dip it again. It didn't say to shake well, so I don't know why it's not so like intense black. Let's see how it works when I'm trying to do squiggly lines. Do it this way. I don't know. You know how there's just some eyeliners that I just grabbed the first eyeliner in my makeup drawer. I just like how sometimes, oh no, you died on me. Alright, sorry guys, my ring light just died, so I had to plug it in. I guess it was pretty low because once I plugged it in, it's like bam, hella bright. So no particular order, I literally just grabbed the first eyeliner on my top drawer here. I like eyeliners that has like flexibility, like, you know, you can, you see how black that is? I don't know, maybe they have it like this because it's a hybrid. Maybe you don't want it so intense black in case if you're just using for lash adhesive. So let's just give this a try before I make any other judgment calls. But I'm just giving you my first impressions and thoughts of it so far. All right, so let's just wipe off the additional because you know me and my tiny eyes, when I do eyeliner, sometimes it's like too much. So okay, let's try this first. I might need to get it closer, look. Super thin liner, lashes. Oh, that was weird. It literally just gripped on. Better put this on before it dries out. Okay, clearly I didn't put enough there. Oh, hurry, 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 hurry. Oops, okay, it's not really... I normally curl my lashes and put one thin of mascara first, but I just want to see how this applies on. And already you can see this one is not really sticking on. Although this is the third application on the outer corners. Maybe I just didn't do enough. All right, let's do the other eye. Why was that eye easier? See, that eye was totally easier. Is this one falling out? Ooh. Let's just do a little pull test. Ah. Oh. Not completely dried in the center. This eye is wonky. Okay, I'm gonna apply a little mascara just to kind of mesh them together. This eye is still giving me trouble. I knew that was gonna happen. It was gonna be too much and then I can't wipe it off. Or can I? I was trying to adjust it and it came right off. So it literally doesn't stick anymore. I'm going to bend the rules and try to apply it on here. Only because I'm comfortable with this way. I like to get really close in my lash line so there's no line of demarcation. So I feel like when I apply it onto the lashes itself, I have more control. Especially with my eye shapes like tricky. See, that went on so well, but look at it. Looking all crazy. And I have like extra lash glue here. This eye sucks. Okay, clearly you can see that this eye, I have to keep on reapplying it. I had to put a few layers just on that corner because it just wasn't adhering. Once I put the mascara to mesh them together, it actually looks a bit normal. So I guess you don't see too much of the eyeliner there, but can you see how high I went? It's because I applied the liner first, which you're supposed to, just isn't as close as I normally get into my lash line. This side, it has a lot of liner on top. Let's clean that up. So I just got off the phone. I had 6 minutes, so totally forgot I had this on. But so far, it feels like how it normally adheres on. I'm just gonna do a little pull test because I wanna see. Oh. Okay, I pulled a little too hard. Oh wow. I pushed it back and it actually went back on. Again, it didn't really get as close as I normally like to get in my lash line, because I normally apply on the adhesive onto the lashes first, and then again I wait about 10 seconds to tack out before I put it on. I had to put a little bit more in the inner part, as you can see, and it kind of left a mark there. Try to take it out before it dries, and it doesn't. Oh, let's try this. This is the second eyeliner that I put on. Waterproof. Nothing on this finger. These aren't as opaque as the other eyeliner, but again, I think that's a good thing because you don't want too much eyeliner in case if you applied on too much. I'm gonna take it off now because I wanna see how much of eyeliner this leaves on. I normally just remove a little bit on the outer corners. I go up and over. Okay, that was pretty easy. Nothing poked me. My lashes are still there. The eyeliner's there. I wonder if it's like smudge proof. So I sprayed water on there and it came off, but it actually stays on pretty well on my lashes or on my skin. Well, there's like a little bit. Oh, you can see I smudged it out. There's little flakies, but that also could be my mascara. Eyeliner's kind of there. I don't like it, but I don't dislike it. Let's see if it works for eyeliner now. Oh, it's getting tacky as I reapply. That's one thing I wanted to see, if I actually reapply it to make it more black, if it's gonna peel. See, that didn't go on as well as an eyeliner that I normally use would. Could be a user error. Yeah, as you can see, I have a little spot there. It won't pick up the product there. Now my eyeliner's all jacked up, but I just wanted to see how it applies on as an eyeliner. Oh, it's sticky. It's like sticking to my skin. Oh, oh gosh. It's sticking to my lower lashes. Can you see it? You can't see it. I wonder if this works to put this back on. I'm gonna put it a little bit higher because it's literally on the actual application that I put. Not really. I still feel like this eye is a little wonky. So here's my final thoughts on the Velour Lash & Go. 1, I do like the package. 2, I actually like how you can see the marble formulation and it's clear. Unlike these traditional ones are just solid, you can't see. So that's kind of cool. 3, it's awesome that it's a lash adhesive and an eyeliner. So this would be great for someone who is on the go, can take this for maybe traveling or touch-ups throughout the day and work. This is a pretty neat product because it's basically 2-in-1. It's also a smudge-proof formulation. I'm not sure if it's waterproof. I'm just gonna use this elixir that I have and just see if it's waterproof. Not really, but to be fair, this is it's just a rose mist. There's no oil. So that kind of came off. I do kind of wish that it was more of a brush, but then again, since this is a hybrid product, I could understand why they used a felt tip liner as an applicator. Ooh, I wonder if it smells. Ooh. It has a weird smell. I'm just gonna smell my... This smells good. I don't know if it's the aloe vera. I don't like the smell and possibly not waterproof. I didn't really like how I had to put a few more applications on the outer corner because it wasn't really adhering. For $23, I may reconsider because I can actually get these at my local Walgreens or buy one, get second half off or even free possibly. And these normally go for about $5. This has never done me wrong. I think I'm probably gonna stick to this, but this was a fun product to try. So this may work for some of you guys who are on the go or someone who likes to double up as a product. This could be a great product for you guys. Velour actually has a lash adhesive that they sell alone. This is just a newer product that is a hybrid. So again, I'll put everything down in the info box for you guys if you guys are interested to try this out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.